Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the remote has fresh batteries, and the Fire TV is connected to the TV via HDMI. This matters because volume control uses either HDMI CEC or infrared. Once done, go to Settings, choose Equipment Control, then Manage Equipment and select TV. You must tell the Fire TV you want it to control the TV. This begins the only supported setup flow. Follow the prompts to identify your TV so the device can test volume commands and choose the correct control method. You will now run the setup wizard that sends volume commands to your TV. Once you pick TV, the Fire TV plays a test tone and prompts you to press the remote's volume buttons. Press them as directed so the system can detect whether HDMI CEC or IR is working. If the automatic detection succeeds, great, the Fire TV stores that method. If it does not, switch to manual selection of the manufacturer or try the alternate control type so the remote can match signals properly. Complete the setup by saving the chosen control method and immediately testing volume, mute, and power functions so you confirm behavior. If volume still fails, make sure HDMI CEC/ARC is enabled on the TV's receiver or soundbar is on the correct input, and then rerun the wizard. If that doesn't help, replace batteries and try manual IR selection or a remote factory reset as a last resort. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves mismatches between IR and HDMI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.